Next!
Yes, sir.
Hello, welcome to Normal. Please take your seat. No, I mean sit down. No, I mean sit here. Sit. Is it okay if we conduct this interview in English?
It's okay, sir. In fact, I was best in conduct when I was young.
And what are you applying for?
Head delivery rider, sir.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Queenie.
And can you tell me something about yourself?
I'm shy.
How old are you?
I'm 18 years old, sir.
18.
Yes, sir.
What are your strengths?
My family, sir.
Huh? And your weaknesses?
My class, sir.
Are you serious?
No, sir. I'm Queenie.
Do you really want this job?
Yes, sir.
Why do you want this job?
Because I need money.
Can you do a graveyard shift?
No, sir. No, sir. I'm afraid of dead people.
Never mind. Next question. How would you satisfy our customers?
Satisfied, sir?
How do you handle stress?
With care.
We need someone who's a risk taker. Are you a risk taker?
Yes. Actually, in my previous work, I always took a rest. I bought a really cute pillow, and when my ex-boss was not around, I took a rest. When my ex-manager was not around, I took a rest.
I mean risk, not rest.
Oh, yes, sir. I'm also a risk taker.
So you're a risk taker, but are you flexible?
Yes, I'm very flexible. In fact, I can do.
What motivates you at work?
Poverty.
Let's move on to the technical questions. Do you know what KPI is? Can you explain to me in layman terms?
Yes, sir. KPI is a female genitalia.
Give me 3 reasons why we should hire you.
1, I need a job. 2, we need an employee. 3, we need each other.
How much is your expected salary?
As long as it's bare minimum.
Do you mean minimum wage?
Yeah, that's one.
For the final question, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In the mirror, sir.
Okay, that concludes our interview. You can go now. Get out.
Sir, ako naman magtatanong. Puro ka kasi tanong.
What?
Kailan ko mo nalaman kung tanggap ako?
Alam mo kailan?
Hindi.
Pagdating ng panahon. Ni?